If you got a lot of tools and you need some organization, this product might help you. I just got probably the most affordable tool cart to organize my tools. 2 in 1. Let's put it together, review it, and see if it's actually a good buy. Let's open this sucker up. Guys, let's open this up. Let's see what's in the box. I'll be honest with you, I thought it would be bigger or wider, but you know, whatever. I didn't check it. That's my fault. First impressions here. Oh, I don't know if I did that. Now, this is what you get. I already see a dent in here. As you can see, might get stronger as put it together more. We'll see. So this is what comes in the box. You got your caster wheels. You get what you pay for. It seems sturdy enough. You get some attachments here. Put some tools in. Attachments. Honestly, these seem thicker than the shelves. I guess these are the pillars to it. I see 4. There's legs to it. These are for screwdrivers. I'm telling you, they seem way more sturdy than these are your tools. I guess all you need is a screwdriver and a little wrench here, which I have anyway. This is 3 layers. As you can see, this is going to get cut up anyway. But, I don't know if you see that. But, you know, see? Last layer. This is what I don't like right there. Look at that. But, for men, I don't have the patience to return this. But, I do have the tools. I might potentially put that back. Let's work on that. This is what you get in the box. Some imperfections. Like I said, I don't have patience to return this thing. I'm going to fix it, put it together for you. And let's see if this is a good buy or a good buy. So if you're anything like me, you got a lot of tools, this might be for you. As you can see right here, I'm going to put that trolley, if it does work out, over here. I'm going to put this stuff away, but generally speaking, I have some torque wrenches. Got all my tools in here. And more tools in here. So I got to put this all away. I got my tool bag here when I'm doing the work I used to do with a hard bottom case right here. I'm going to try to organize all of that. Look at this. All of that. Okay, let's get to it. Bring the sucker in. I got my my drill here. I know there's going to be a little bend, so I'm a rubber mallet. And I know that if you guys don't have an adjustable wrench, I have an adjustable wrench. I have an adjustable wrench, right? There you go. I'll use that, but let's just open this up. You got your bag right there. I have the tools ready, but if you don't have tools, it comes with tools. Show you real quick. It comes with a screwdriver and a wrench. We don't need that. That's garbage. Now, there are no instructions to this build, so just be aware. This is probably a 10. It is a 12. So this right here, if you got right there, that's a 12. I'll be using that to hold it down. As you can see, there's a dent there. I don't know if you can see that. Not good. So I have my mallet. I'm just gonna pound it and then straighten it out, hopefully. It's not 100% fixed, but better than nothing, you know? So I'm not telling you to do this. I'm just doing this because I know there's a flat surface here. So right here. So there's that little dent here. So now, as you can see, there's a little situation going on here. I don't know if I can fix it, but I'm gonna try my best to straighten it out. I'm not telling you to do this, but I'm using this. My ratchet wrench is using that portion of it to try to push this one out right here. See? Because the hammer won't do it. So I'm gonna slowly do it. It kind of helped. See that edge right there? I'm gonna try to pop that corner out because I just don't like it, and I don't want to return it. We're getting there. I gotta get this corner, that corner, somewhat there. Let's do a little something dangerous. Let's try it with this one. That may be the best we can do right now with the tools that I have. One more pop right there. I just need one more pop, maybe. Okay, let's just proceed to put everything together. So obviously, these are the tops. These are the shelves here you'll be getting. So let's just put those together. Pretty simple enough. Now, I might just time lapse this anyway. Done right there. You see right there. Once again, that's a 12. Let me just, fairly easy, pretty easy. Let's proceed to do, should be just like that in there. Let's do the other 4 legs and then proceed with everything else. Pretty much done. However, I don't know where to put this. There's no holes here that I see that you can put these on. So I'm gonna modify it, put it right here. I think it's a good spot right there. So I'm just gonna do that. Matter of fact, that might be it right there, dude. Did I make it too big? Perfect. On the money. Tighten that up. It's a little strong. There you go. Might protrude a little bit. Might need to cut it, but let's leave it for now. And let's set up the wide shot. Now, just for measurement's sake and scale sake, you're looking at about 10 inches right there. A little bit, about 10 inches. Tall wise with the wheels, you're looking about 22 inches. Let's put it to scale with my motorcycle. This is my Motorstar. So there it is. You let me know if it's too small, too big. I imagine it to be up here more, but here's what we got. This might even, because of it's the most affordable version, it might be the small version. I might need to go ahead and buy the bigger version, to be honest with you, because this is not going to hold all my tools, to be honest with you. It's not going to hold all my tools, so we're going to have to buy another one. Everyone, so basically I'm almost done. I'm still going to put these things away. However, I'm just going to lay them in here just for the display's sake, but I do have things to organize these as well, these tools and everything. But I just wanted to show you real world application on this thing. I'm like 50-50 with this thing because it is a bit too small for me. I wish it was bigger, just a bit wider and a bit taller, but with everything in life, you got to try to make do with what you have. So the great thing about this is that I do have a good sense of where I need to pull my things and how I can get things here. So for me, you know, got my clamps, got my little screwdrivers here. I have, these are all like miscellaneous stuff I've been collecting over the years. But hex key, Allen keys, attachments for the bits and everything like that. My drill, impact gun. I have all my hammers down there. Look, all these things right here I have in here, right? But I do have to bend down, but generally speaking, it's just wheeling in here. If I need to work on my bike, it's a bit versatile. I can move it around here. So I can work on my bike right here. That's the only great thing. It's mobile, so that's what I want anyway. I am going to be buying probably something else to house everything else, more than likely. Or over time, I might just grow. I might grow and love with it and just keep it. But so here it is, guys. Here's the finished product here for now. I do have more things to hang these onto the edges, so I'll have more space here. I put all my sockets away in there for now because I have a thing to handle all my sockets here as well. So it's not 100% complete, but all my bits are down there. Hammers, mallets, rivet gun, torque wrench, and my grinder. But yeah, tell me what you think. Maybe even purchase if you like it. Me, I'm 50-50% on it. I'm not completely sold on it, but for what it is, for what it's the cost, I think I got a great deal for it. So I think it's a good buy.